light. His name was Danny, small and cute, with little paws and tapping feet. He would run around from morning till night, chasing the birds in playful flight. With such long ears and sparkling eyes, he lived his life like a dream. He loved to play near Daisy Hill, so cool and still by the stream. He would jump over the stones and jump over the grass. Good morning, bee, good day, Miss Frog. He would shout loudly in the morning mist. With squirrels and mice, he would laugh and run, running under the sun every day. He made a fort out of sticks and grass, a secret place to sleep and play. Inside he kept his favorite things: carrots, leaves, fruit, and some vegetables. He had a friend, a chick named Lou. He would chase him together. He would play in the puddles after the rain, and once again he slid down the hills. One fine day, dark clouds rolled in. A storm began with the great day.